Hi guys, so today I am going to be unboxing 17's first Love and Letter. I have both versions, Love and Letter, and I'm probably going to be doing them in this one video just because it's easier just to get it all done. And I'm obviously really excited to be unboxing these two albums because I love 17 so much. I don't know, they just make me really happy, and um, yeah, I've listened to this album a lot. I've listened to this album a lot, especially Pretty You because it's my favorite song on the album. And yeah, I'm also really excited because they've announced that they are going to be coming to Australia and Melbourne. So I'm going to do everything in my power to see them because I love them so much and I'm super excited about it. But yeah, anyway, on to the actual unboxing. Um, we'll do the love one first. Should I open both of them? Okay, I'll open both of them, like, just get both of them out of the wrapper first, and then we'll do the love one first, though. So, here we are. And then we have the track listing on the back. I don't know if you can see it, but there are, I don't even know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tracks. Right, okay, 10 tracks. I'm gonna try and read them. 엄지척, which is Chuck. 예쁘다, which is Pretty You. 이놈의 인기, which is Still Lonely. 유행가, which is, I think, a hit song or popular song. Say Yes. Then 떠내려가, which is Drift Away. 아낀다, Adore You vocal team version, and 만세 hip hop team version, and Shining Diamond performance team version, and then 사랑 쪽지 love letter. Yeah, hopefully I was okay with that, somewhat okay. Yeah, anyway, I really love this album. I love 17 because they just bring this like really fresh kind of happiness to all their songs, and I don't know, they just always cheer me up. I love when I'm sad, and I've been kind of sad lately, but a lot of the time I'll just, watch 17 videos and it will cheer me up a lot. Like I remember when I was feeling pretty down, I would watch like One Fine Day and it made me feel happier because they're just so fun, and just, yeah, I just love watching them. Anyway, let's actually get around to unboxing this. So it has a magnetic clasp, as you can see, and let's, okay, empty out the box. Alright, okay, so, oh, it's like a diamond necklace thing, and it comes with stickers, yeah. Cool. Okay, cool. I love it. I love that 17 albums, like this one and the last one, come with like other stuff inside. Like, it's really cute. So this postcard. And this one. I really like this one. I don't know, it just looks cool. I mean, you can't see them really. I mean, you can't see their faces, but I like the silhouette. And then this one. So these 3 postcards. Whoops. I'll just put them to the side. Right. And then the photo book, which, let me just take out the bookmark first. I'm not gonna look at it or anything. Okay, I took it out. And I haven't seen anything. It's kind of cool that this is hardcover. I actually really like that. Got the track listing on the back again. Yeah, that's really cool. They're all so cute. Thank you. Jonghan. I can't even see poor Joshua's face. Or is it? Yeah. Cuteness. So many feathers. Oh, Sungwon. Speaking of, yeah, I watched the One Fine Day. I finished it not that long ago. And, okay, I was always Coups biased. Like, I was always Coups biased. I just love Coups. He's still my bias, but One Fine Day kind of ruined me a little bit because now I'm like, even though he's my bias, it's like I just love them all so much. But especially because One Fine Day, I really started liking like The Eight and Mingyu and Wonu, because they're literally like they're so cute, and I can't help it. I loved them so much on One Fine Day. It looks so like heavenly in that one. I kind of wish like they were full page, some of the photos, just because it makes more sense to make up as much, take up as much of the space as possible, and you know, then we get more pictures of the boys. What are they doing? Really? Okay, so message in a bottle. And then we have lyrics. Thanks to Coups. Jonghan, Joshua, Jun, Hoshi, Wonu, Uchi, V8, Mingyu, DK, Songkwan, oh, whoops, Venom, Dino, and then credits. Right, and so I'm guessing, yeah, CD. In the back here. It's pink. Just goes in here like this. So yeah. That seems to be the love version. Oh, and it has a, oh yeah, this thing under these things. So it's cute. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in here first with the other stuff and then go through the letter version, and then I'll go through the cards, the bookmarks or whatever I got. So yeah, this is the letter version. Same thing, just like different color. And then same track list on the back. Okay. Okay, so let's. Oops. Okay, so necklace in the back of this box too. And stickers, different color this time. Different colors this time. They're really cute. I feel like I'm never gonna use them. I never use stickers. Like, I love stickers so much that I just collect them and just hoard them. Cutest. They're so cute. I love them. This is adorable. I love postcards, I really do. Right. I'm just gonna take out the bookmark again. And not look at it. This is the book, same thing, hardcover. I really, really like that it's hardcover. S.coups from 17. Oh my god, look how adorable they are. I have a real soft spot for S.coups because of One Fine Day. And like the bickering. I love bickering. Joshua. I feel like I already like this photo book more than the other one. It's really cute. He's so cute. You know how everyone says it's like the 8's era this time, and it really does seem like it because he's so prominent now and I just love him so much. And I've always loved him, it's just like, you know, I've always had soft spots for like China Line and Venom. I don't know, I think they're so cute. Monet, super cute. And Jun. He's so handsome. Look at him. Sungkon in his tie. Coups. Cute. Oh my god, don't even look at that face. Oh, I love him so much. I love him. I really love him. DK looks so handsome here. Stop. The little baby, so cute. Oh my gosh, like, Wanu. I love this photo book. Letters from 17. Ugh, Jonghan. I mean, can you get any more flawless? DK. Oh, Dino. Mingyu. He's so good looking, like, ridiculous. Venom. Sungon. Looking really smart there. Uchi. So cute. And Joshua. Looking amazing as always. I mean, when does he not? Jun. Coups. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, why would you give me Coups with, like, animals, with dogs? It's like, what are you trying to do to me? He ate. Oh, Minghao. It's cute. I love him, I love him, I love him. Hoshi. Looking gorgeous there too. Look at him with that hair. Wanu. I just feel like I'm saying he's so handsome like every time I see another member, but it's true, they're all so gorgeous. And then we have lyrics here. Lyrics. And epilogue. Like all like the photo booth kind of stickers. Cute. Thanks to and credit. And that is it. Oh wait, we have the CD in here, which is kind of like white or off-white, I don't know, but just not pink. And again, nothing, normal slip. So I'll put this back in and I'll put it back in the box, and then I will go through the bookmarks that I got. So cute. Okay, so, alright, so for the love version, the bookmark I got is Jun. Oh, look at him. I love him so much. I really do. I love Jun so much. I have a lot to say about all the members, and I just sometimes I can't even put it into words. I just love them all. And yeah, anyway, and the letter version I got Sungkwan. Oh, Sungkwan. I don't think I've gotten some. Have I? I don't think I've gotten Jun or Sungkwan before, but I might be wrong. I can't remember because I bought a couple copies of Boys B, and I can't remember who I pulled and who I didn't. But yeah, look at him. Boo. That's cute. Anyway, these aren't up for trade because I don't want to trade them, and I mean, I can say that I'm trying to collect 17, but I know that it's not like the highest priority I have just because there are so many cards. But yeah, I love this album. I love 17. I was so happy when they won first. I didn't even talk about that, but yeah, I was so happy when they won first. I know that it was already like, I think it was like last week or something, but yeah, I remember just like flailing all over the place because I was so happy for them because they deserve it so much, and I'm honestly so proud of everything they've achieved because they have achieved so much and they deserve everything. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching.